Find out what's in the October Pantry with me. Stock your pantry for a cozy autumn-filled October, a time when every jar, every spice, and every simmering pot carries the comfort of the season into your home. While most of my videos wander through flowers and garden moments, this October I wanted to lean into the cozy rituals that follow the harvest, the little ways we gather the season's abundance and make it part of our home. Today I'll share the essentials that make an autumn kitchen both practical and magical. As October settles in, the kitchen changes almost without us noticing. Summer's brightness, the bowls of fresh berries, the quick salads, the herbs snipped straight from the garden, gives way to autumn's richness. The light through the window feels softer, golden, lingering on the jars of honey or the basket of apples left on the counter. The changes are everywhere. Heavier mugs ready for warm drinks, spice jars pulled a little closer to hand, a soup pot finding a more permanent place on the stove. Instead of the light greens and reds of summer produce, your counter might now hold squash, potatoes, or onions, things that promise comfort and depth when the days are shorter. Every October pantry begins with its humble heart. A cozy October pantry starts with simple staples: oats, barley, lentils, beans. Oats that soften into baked apple oatmeal, lentils and beans that find their way into hearty stews, roots and squashes that roast until sweet and tender, with herbs or tucked into nourishing casseroles. Flour and baking staples turn into pumpkin bread, rustic loaves or an apple crisp fresh from the oven. These are the everyday companions of autumn, the quiet foundations that carry us through long evenings. No autumn pantry is complete without its flavors, the true poetry of the pantry. Cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and allspice, warming the air with their fragrance. Herbs like thyme, rosemary, and sage bring depth to roasted vegetables and stews. Jars lined like jewels, apple butter spread on warm bread, chutneys alongside roasted squash, or jams that hold on to the last sweetness of summer, each one a memory of summer's sun, preserved to sweeten autumn for us. Of course, comfort also lives in a cup. Herbal teas, chamomile, mint, apple cinnamon are perfect for winding down. Black teas and chai warm chilly mornings, and a pantry stocked with cocoa or cider means there's always something sweet to sip. My favorite? A chai latte rich with cardamom and spice, or a honey lavender latte on gentler days. These drinks are more than flavors, they are rituals of rest. And tucked alongside the essentials are October's little luxuries: honey and maple syrup, roasted nuts and dried fruits, chocolate or a tray of cookies still warm from the oven. These aren't necessities, but they are joys. Small, sweet rituals that remind us that a pantry is not only about nourishment, it's about delight. A well-stocked October pantry is more than storage. It's a promise of warmth, of comfort, and of nourishment. With every jar, every loaf, every steaming cup, we hold the heart of October in our hands. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you'll always keep in your autumn pantry? If you'd like to linger in last year's autumn glow, I gathered the season's beauty into a ceramic pumpkin. Until next time, may your kitchen be cozy, your pantry full, and your October filled with comfort.